Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I personally analyze the boom and crash market before taking an entry, right? So what I do a top-down analysis. I'm a scalper, so I go to the daily time frame, then I start my analysis from there till a lower time frame where I see that the entry is convenient for me, then I take positions. Alright, so that's what I'll be showing you here now. Right, so what I do first, I go to the daily time frame, analyze the current trend that we are, right? So what I'm seeing here now, you can see an uptrend, right? You can see an uptrend here currently, right? So after identifying it, right, but this uptrend, I can see that it has break our trend line, right? So maybe the trend is going to change very soon. Alright, that's what I'm seeing here. So after analyzing it, I go to the 4-hour time frame, right? So here on the 4-hour time frame, what I do is I will mark the most recent support and resistance zones. Alright, so that's what I'm doing now. I'll mark those recent zones. Alright, I don't want to go too far, right? So I'll just mark the recent ones. So this is what I'm seeing here right now. So after marking it like this, this thing, it's not something you can just draw line, alright? These are zones, alright? They are support and resistance zones, so you are going to treat it as such, right? So what I do next, I go mark out the zones, alright? So here is what I'm seeing. It doesn't Alright, so I've marked this. Let me bring out my tool again. Okay, and let me mark the third one now. Alright, so as you can see guys, these zones are tested multiple times, right? From what I'm seeing, they are tested multiple times, so it's a valid zone for me to take my entry from, right? It's a valid zone. So after marking it out like this, I'm going to delete the trend line, the support and resistance line, right? I don't need it anymore. So this is what I do. So after marking it out like this, I'll go to the 1-hour time frame and see how it's playing out here, right? So this is what's happening here in the 1-hour time frame, right? So let me go to the 30-minute time frame and see what's going on there. Okay, so I'm a scalper, so I just want to take a quick entry, right? I'm looking for a quick entry. I don't want to hold trade long, so I'll just go in and go out, right? So that's what I'm looking for right now, a quick entry. Let me go down a little bit more, check the 15. Alright, so this is what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute time frame. Let me put in some trend line again. So currently we know that we are in an uptrend, right? And there is possibility that the trend will be changing to a downtrend soon. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute time frame. This is what is currently happening. Alright, this is what's currently happening right now. Alright, so after marking out this horizontal support and resistance zone, right, with our trend line, I will go to the 5-minute time frame. Let me see what's going on there. Okay, so this is what's happening here. As you can see, price is currently battling with this zone right now. So price is currently battling here, whether to break the zone or to go back up, right? So here, and this is where we talk about risk management, right? So I can decide, since I know price is in a very strong support and resistance zone, I can decide to buy from this place. I'll buy and wait for price to go up, touch this zone, either come back down or break and retest it, then continue up, or it will go there, right? Or price will go up and then bounce back, right? There are two ways that is going to play, or this is what's going to happen. It's going to break this right now. It's going to break this zone below, retest, and then continue to the downside, right? So me personally, I don't like trading against spike. All right, I don't like trading against spike, because when trading against spike, you will not be able to manage your risks, right? You will not be able to manage your risks properly. Where you set your stop loss is not where price will stop. So I like catching spike, because when catching spike, if you set your stop loss here, when price get to that area, it's going to stop, right? But when trading against spike, it's where the spike stop. That is where your stop loss, that is where they are going to take you out of the trade. So I don't like that, right? So now I'm waiting for price to break below this zone right now, break below it, and then I'll take my entry immediately. My stop loss is going to be here, and then I'll ride it to this area here, right? I'll ride it from here to this place, and then I'll be out of the market, right? So that is what I'm currently waiting for. That's what I'm currently waiting for now, guys. So if you get value from this video, you know what to do. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that. All right, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a valuable and powerful content like this, you get notified immediately. All right, so that's it for today. Let me check the 1 minute time frame and see what's playing there. All right, so this is what's currently playing on the 1 minute time frame. Now you can see, you have an idea of what the market is doing, right? So it's good to always analyze from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, so that you have an idea of what the market is currently doing, right? So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll keep it coming, guys. I'll keep creating powerful content like this for you guys. So if you love what I do here, make sure you show me some love, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So that's it, guys. Silver out.